Welcome back to the Jolie of Cooking. Tomorrow we're going on a trip to California and we're getting ready. We're using the squish station to make it into baby food to squish into these pouches. This is what we need: water, sweet potato, corn, rice, spinach, and salt. Let's get started. First, we're gonna do the sweet potato. We have to boil it. So I'm gonna take off the lid. Put in the water. Next, we have to turn on the stove. My mommy's gonna do it because I'm too little. For the spinach, we're gonna cook it until it's all soft. Pour in the salt.
You need to turn the stove on.
Oh.
You want me to do it?
Where's on? It's gonna take a while until the spinach starts to liver.
Wither.
Oopsie. Now the spinach looks good. The corn is easy. You just pop it in the oven for 5 minutes. We have to blend it up. We're gonna blend it till it's smooth. Just like the corn, we're gonna blend it up until it's smooth. Now we're doing the sweet potato. Just like the others, we're gonna blend it up. Now we're gonna do the squeeze station to put the food in. We have to slide it through till we hear a snap. And then we twirl it. Now we have all the different stuff we had made inside these cups. Rice and spinach, corn, sweet potato. Now we squish. I'm gonna squish this one. Now where I had closed it up. Here is all the food we had made, all for tomorrow. I hope you liked it. And remember, anything I can do, you can do better.